Submitting documents to your Google account for approval can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it effectively. Step 1. Log into your Google account. Start by visiting the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to access the settings. Step 3. Find the verification section. In the account management page, look for a section related to security or verification. This may be labeled as security or account verification depending on your account status. Step 4. Upload required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. This may involve clicking on an upload button and selecting files from your device. Ensure that the documents meet the specified requirement, e.g., format, size. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to send your documents for approval. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your submission was successful. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information from Google regarding your account approval.